Hi Pioneers!
So in this video, we'll talk about nodes that lead to testnet, which eventually leads to the decentralization of the mainnet. So let's start by understanding why we value decentralization to begin with, and then we will talk about what we really mean by nodes, and what's our implementation plans to get there. So why do we really value decentralization? At Pi Network, we believe that ordinary people should have a greater voice and capture a greater share of the value they create in society. We believe that the best way to achieve this goal is by building a decentralized currency and economy. Pi's decentralized currency will eventually be secured by a distributed global network of pioneers rather than being controlled by one single centralized entity. Pi's global network will be ultimately self-governed, meaning that the community can shape how Pi evolves over time. When Pi is fully decentralized, pioneers will also have full sovereignty and control of their own cryptocurrency holdings. Pioneers that want to help secure Pi's currency can choose to become a node. Nodes are the fourth role in the Pi ecosystem and run on computers instead of mobile phones. Similar to other blockchains, Pi nodes will be responsible for validating transactions on a distributed ledger and resolve the challenges in maintaining a distributed currency by having all nodes come to a consensus on the order of new transactions getting recorded. Unlike nodes that use proof-of-work protocols such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, Pi nodes use a different consensus algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol. In that algorithm, nodes form trusted groups, quorum slices, and only agree to transactions that those trusted nodes in those quorum slices agree to as well. The security circles from Pi mobile miners aggregate into a global trust graph that enables Pi nodes to form quorum slices to determine who can and cannot validate transactions on a shared ledger. Also, unlike other crypto projects, the Pi node will continue to uphold the philosophy of user-centric design. Instead of requiring much technical knowledge to set up a node, ordinary people will be able to do that by installing a desktop application on their computers, just like installing any other computer app. Through this desktop application, pioneers can switch on or off the ability to make their devices available or unavailable for serving as a node.